Welcome to next tutorial. Now we make a model of coffee bean. First of all, you can change the unit settings. This one 0.01 degrees not length centimeters, and this one is scale 0.01. Press N. You can open your transcripts. Now delete all. Shift A. Take a circle and change the vertices of the circle 8. Now Z. Control U. Go to edit mode. E Z. Okay. Scale light little bit. And again EZ. This is to scale down. Now you have to fill. Control F. Grid fill. Grid fill. These lines will appear. Now hold Alt and press vertices. You can select a on vertices. Control F to fill the grid. Fill F. Okay. Now Control E. Press X to scale down this wise. Now you can join the lines. This one. Press Shift. This one. Press Shift. Go to the edge mode. Press Alt and click. We can select the overall. Control B. Scroll the mouse. Middle mouse button. Go a little bit. Just this. Just like. You can select this one. ZC. Press one of this. Press Y. Go for edge mode. Control R. Click S to scale up to make a shape like that. Vertex mode. Go to the vertex mode and just see little bit up. Switcher. Okay. Now go to the X-ray mode. Select the sides of the vertices to make a shape. Press S and X. Once again select Shift X. The shape like must be in coffee bean. to the solid mode. Now you can add more files, generate. Now we add to the subdivision surface. Subdivision surface 2. Go to the auto smooth mode. 45 degrees. Okay. Go to the edit mode. Select this one. G. Select this lens. G. Normal mode. Now it's look like a coffee bean. Just molding is completed.